like unnecessary because like why do cleansers?
If you've ever heard of double cleansing and thought,
that sounds unnecessary and extra work,
many people skip this step because they think it's overkill.
by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what double cleansing is, who it's for, and when you don't need it.
That was good, that was good. Double cleansing means first using an oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based cleanser. Gently massage the oil cleanser onto dry skin for 1 minute, then emulsify that with water before using your second foaming cleanser. Do you double cleanse? Like, how long have you been double cleansing?
I started double cleansing like 2 years ago, and I definitely noticed a huge difference with my oily skin because it never felt clean after I washed it with just like a water cleanser. So then I feel like the oil cleanser really takes off my natural oils as well as my makeup. I started with the Round Lab Dokdo oil cleanser, and I've like stuck to it to this day. 2 years, and these are my empties, and I'm on my 3rd bottle.
Nice.
Yeah, so like I really like double cleansing and like Round Lab.
Tell the people if you double cleanse and what you think about it.
It's good. Skin better.
Okay. I just started double cleansing as of 4 months ago maybe, and I really like it. I think at first I was super skeptical because I was like, I don't want to put oil on my skin. Like, I had heard of it before, but I was just like kind of the idea that simple routines is like the way to go until recently. Ever since I started getting almost passionate about it, where I'd go crazy on my nose. More passion. It's really satisfying, so I'm just like watching it fix my skin. I feel like it actually is really cleansing and I love it. You just know you're taken care of when you use 2 cleansers. You know you're clean at that point.
Yeah, you know you're clean.
Double cleansing is really good for if you have makeup. Very clean, very thorough.
That's perfect.
That was good.
Thank you, Yuna.
Thank you, Simple. You should double cleanse if you wear makeup, sunscreen, if you have oily or congested skin, or if you feel like your cleanser is not enough.
And technically, listening to that list, that's pretty much everyone because I think everyone should be wearing sunscreen.
But if you have like fungal acne or you don't want to use oil on your face, you can still double cleanse, but you just use a micellar water instead that is able to break down waterproof makeup. So you can double cleanse with that instead of an oil. So double cleanse is a go no matter who you are.
That's a good way to put it. Double cleanse is always a yes, honestly.
Yeah, there's a way around it. When should they not double cleanse?
You don't need it twice a day. That would mean you're cleansing your skin 4 different times with the 2 cleansers. It depends on who you are, but you don't need to double cleanse in the morning. We recommend just doing your water-based cleanser in the morning and then doing both in the evening.
Yep, this is great.
Because by the time you wake up in the morning, you just have been sleeping, you probably had like your moisturizers on, you didn't wear sunscreen to bed or makeup, hopefully. So you wake up and like all you need is just like to wash off gentle things that happened on your skin overnight. But in the evening, when you've had your sunscreen on and your makeup on, that's when you need your oil cleanse, and that's when you do both. That looks scary.
To add on, if you have dry or sensitive skin, it's not necessary to do this every night. Just adjust it to however you feel. It doesn't have to be a set routine. You can like switch it in and out. That's what I do too, where I'll like adjust my routine depending on how my skin feels that night.
And it just gets to become a game where you need to balance out like keeping your skin clean, but also not overdoing it to strip your skin barrier. We're thinking that the only way that Kiyoko takes a team trip to Korea is if we become famous on YouTube. So help us make our dream come true.
Like and subscribe.
What would you tell someone who's concerned that double cleansing will break them out?
I think that's kind of like a micellar water thing.
My dermatologist used to tell me you had to wait 3 weeks doing something to actually know how your skin feels about it. So it takes time. Definitely try it, and if that's too aggressive, you can like tone back, even tone micellar water like you were saying.
And I know everyone's skin is different, but for context, I used to struggle a lot with acne. Not fungal acne, just acne, and very like acne prone. But oil cleansing never broke me out. So I wouldn't shy away from oil cleansing just because it's like an oil, because you're washing it off. I think that's the key difference, is that like, yes, it's oil, but you're washing it off and it emulsifies with water after. And then you're going with another cleanser. So it's not much of a concern compared to like, say if you just got like a drop of oil and like rubbed it on your face, and that stays on your face and clogs your pores.
Let's finish off with some rapid fire common mistakes to avoid. Hit him with number 1, Athena.
Wait, do that again.
Hit him with number 1, Athena. I'm not doing it again.
Not emulsifying the oil cleanser.
The emulsification is really important to the oil cleanser process. So you still have to get some water onto the oil cleanser before the water cleanser.
Basically like pump, rub, really get in there, put some water, rub again, and then like really wash it off, and then go in with the cleanser.
And it's also like so satisfying, the emulsification process. Like the best part of oil cleansing.
Take it away, Crystal.
Okay, the key takeaways are that double cleansing is an extremely useful tool. But you need to find what works for you, find the double cleansing technique that works for you, and don't do it in the morning and the night. Just do it in the night. Do what feels right, be gentle, and enjoy your clean skin. Thoughts on
Yes,
that?
yes, loved it.
Thank you for spending time with us in this video. We hope we answered a lot of questions. If you have any more, please leave them in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yay! Bye!